Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana, and today I am going to show you how to create your own nature journal using materials you may already have at home. You will need a scrap piece of cardboard, recycled paper, ruler, scissors, box cutter, push pin or hole punch, thread and sewing needle, and a pen or a marker. Begin by measuring out your paper to your preferred size. I am using 8x11 paper and I've cut mine horizontally in the middle to end up with half sheets. Then you can cut out your cardboard. I am going to make my cover a ½ inch larger than my paper. Trace your first cover to another part of your cardboard and cut it to size. Now you should have the components of your book ready to go. Your book will be layered with one cover on the bottom, your pages in the middle, and sandwiched on top with your other cover. Use one sheet of paper as a template and measure out 4 equidistant holes 1/2 inch from the edge with the ruler. Use a push pin or a hole punch if you have one to create the holes. Repeat this on the sheets of paper and covers. Take note that I had made 6 total holes on my cover, but we will be only using the middle 4. Next, single thread a needle and make it long enough so that you don't run out of thread, but you have it in a comfortable working range. I measured mine about 5 times the length of the spine. You do not need to tie the end with a knot. Take about half of your papers and thread your needle into the second hole through the papers and the front cover. Pull through towards the front and leave about 3 inches of extra thread at the end and secure it with a piece of tape if you'd like. We will use this thread at the end of the project. Next, insert your thread through the back of the second hole and pull it through the back cover, papers, and front cover and pull through to make a loop around the spine. From the front side, move to hole number 3. This should be the following hole to the right and will make a horizontal line with your thread. Insert your thread through the third hole, bring the thread up towards the front to make a loop around the spine. From hole number 3, move horizontally to hole number 4 on the back side. This should be the following one to the right. Make a loop around the spine again by bringing your thread through a second time. After creating the spine loop, make another vertical loop to secure your pages. To do this, you will pull your thread through the fourth hole again, and instead of having your thread sit around the spine, move it so that it creates a 90-degree angle and secures the bottom of your cover. Now your needle and thread should be pulled toward the front cover. Continue moving to make vertical stitches to fill in the empty spaces. Now you should be at the first hole at the top of the book. Create a loop around the spine and then a vertical loop to secure the pages. At this point, you should have a remaining vertical space between the first and second holes on the back cover. Pull your thread from the first to second hole and pull through to the middle of the book where you had left the excess thread. Tie both threads in a double knot and cut off any extra thread. You have now completed your nature journal. Feel free to decorate your journal to your heart's content. For mine, I have added an embroidered decoration to my cover. And don't forget your writing utensil.